In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of opening a Schwab brokerage account step by step. First, go to Google and type in schwab.com. Once you're on the website, locate the Open Account button in the upper right-hand corner and click on it. On the left-hand side of the next page, you'll see the option for a brokerage individual brokerage account. Click on that. Scroll to the bottom of the page, and you'll notice there are no monthly service fees and no account minimums. When you're ready, click on Get Started. Now, you'll need to fill out your personal information, including first name, last name, date of birth, social security number, email address, phone number. After entering your details, you'll be taken to the contact page. For now, just click Continue. Next, you'll need to answer some basic questions. Why are you opening the account? Select General Purposes. What are the sources of funds? Let's choose Salary. Fill out your employment status and click Continue. You will then be asked 3 standard questions. For most people, the answer will be no, but just answer them to the best of your ability. I recommend opting for paperless documents to receive all your account information online. It's more secure and environmentally friendly. You'll also be given the option to add trading features. If you're not familiar with margin or options trading, I suggest staying away from them for now. Finally, you'll need to agree to Schwab's terms and conditions. And that's it. Your Schwab brokerage account is now open. I'm going to invest $100 every week and see how it goes.